Signal on. She's not opening the door. There's wine bottles open.
Oh, well, I mean, we have a violation there by itself.
Yeah. She's illegally parked in front of the PD.
Ma'am, what's going on? I can't hear you.
An officer spots a suspicious vehicle illegally parked outside police headquarters late at night. Moments later, a simple inquiry turns into a surprising pursuit.
Well,
Ma'am, just open the door for us. Right now we gotta talk to you, okay? Other button.
okay, well, she can't just park here. Right? I mean,
No, you're right. It is a violation.
and she has to identify herself.
Yeah.
If she doesn't want to identify herself, right, then she's resisting.
Rental car, yeah.
Can you open the door?
Please? We can't hear anything you're saying. You gotta open the door to talk to us.
Should I put spike strips under there in case she tries to flee?
Yeah.
In the front of the car?
Ah, that's true.
And it's, I think it's a rear-wheel drive car.
Maybe segment. Double.
Double. No.
Response to Victor 61, units of UPD 1074.
10-4, 10-6. You open the door?
1026, show me out with recent.
Yeah, you have to open the door at this point. You can't just ignore us and pretend that we're not here. You have to open the door. You're parked crazy at the police department. And we can't hear anything. We gotta figure out what's going on. We can't hear you. That's some good insulation in this vehicle. If you don't cooperate, we're gonna have to break the window. So, do you want to escalate it, or Yeah.
I'm gonna go get her. You want me to chase her?
Despite clear police presence, the driver insists the officers are not real law enforcement. What follows leads to multiple charges and a court-ordered evaluation.
We are turning left onto Harbor Drive, now heading southbound on Harbor Drive. Speeds are 15 miles an hour. Subject appears to be coming to a complete stop right outside City Hall.
Get out of the car!
Out of the car!
Get out!
Out of the car! Out of the car!
I am not, you're not, get out of
Get
the
out.
car! You don't have an option anymore.
Get out of the car!
Out of the car! Out of the car!
Out of the car!
We're not police.
Got her.
Let go of the bag. 10-4, units 10-2, 10-2.
Go of your bag. You're not. You don't have an option anymore. Let go of the bag.
Do you want to conduct field sobriety exercises?
I am not drinking and I am not under the influence of anything. I've never taken drugs in my life.
Would you like to conduct field sobriety exercises?
The real police are on their way.
All right, ma'am, I'm going to ask you one more time, and if you don't answer the question, I'm just going to take it as a refusal. Do you wish to perform field sobriety exercises
I will.
to confirm you want to?
Yeah, because I'm not under the influence of anything. And the real police are on the way.
Okay. Maybe we should have her checked out by EMS first.
Yeah, for sure.
There's nothing wrong with me. I'm not drinking.
Really?
Really. I had a little bit with dinner like at 5 o'clock in the evening. I am totally You broke the tires in my car.
Oh yeah.
I've not been drinking. I'm totally sober, and you are not real police, and you're in big trouble because they're on their way.
Okay. I'm sorry you feel that way.
No, they are.
You're surrounded by police cars. It said Venice Police on them.
Doesn't matter.
And you drove to the police station where we made contact with you.
You're all cartel. None of you are police.
And then
You pulled
you'll
me out of there where the police asked me to stay.
Okay.
I am sober.
Okay, I understand.
Don't do that.
All right, face that way though.
I've met all of you. You're cartel, and the real police are on the way.
But for feels right. We were gonna do that after you guys checked her out.
I'm fine. I'm completely lucid. I was there on purpose.
Okay.
And you ruined a rental car, so you're going to be in big
Yes, the rental car is ruined.
You could have broken a major vein, and then you would definitely be in jail yourself, because I have done nothing wrong. And you're treating me like a criminal, and the real police are on the way.
Julie, once again, you're going back on here. You're under arrest for DUI, okay? As well as fleeing to elude, resisting, as well as a plethora of other civil traffic infractions, okay?
Stop reading on us. I have no.
Reckless driving.
You can open the container right there. It's in your car.
Yes, I live in the car.
Okay.
Everything that I
You can't have
have.
no
Great.
container in your car.
It's this way.
That was not.
Oh, you want to get the seatbelt, Rachel?
Yeah, I'll grab it.
No alcohol.
If you keep doing that,
You have to know there's no alcohol on my room.
okay.
They're almost here, the real police. I can't balance with them.
Okay, go ahead, go.
I got an injured arm.
However you got to get in, go ahead.
You're in so much trouble.
So I've been told.
I'm sober. I'm lucid. I'm almost 70. You get me where the police told me to stay, you're in really big trouble.
All right, we're gonna go inside the jail now.
You're in really big trouble.
Okay, we'll find out.
Yeah, you will.
I will.
Thank you for watching this real body cam encounter. Situations can escalate quickly when lawful instructions are ignored. This channel shares footage for education, awareness, and transparency. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.